How to set time on Apple Watch. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these steps. So in order to set the time, you can either use your mobile or you can use the Apple Watch itself. First of all, let's head over with the mobile process. So go ahead and grab your phone, and after you grab your phone, you may open up your main settings of your device. Just go ahead and open it up. And once you open up settings, you may scroll down and look for the option called General from the given options and tap on it. After you tap on it, go ahead and look it up date and time. And then once you select up date and time, you will be getting option to choose your date and time. So you can automatically set up a time by turning on the toggle option. Otherwise, just go on with the manual process of changing your time by selecting your own time. So this is one of the methods you can apply up if you want to change your date and time. Otherwise, you can use the watch itself. So in order to change it using the watch, you only get changes of 59 minutes. So you just get chance to change it for 59 minutes, not over it. So what you can do in order to do it is you can go ahead and press on the crown button on your watch. After that, go ahead and scroll down and look it up the option called settings. And then once you open up settings, open up clock application on your watch. Once you open up clock, it will give you an option to set up time. So we have this +0 minute, so you can just go ahead and click on it, and it gives us option to change the time. So as I said earlier, it only gives us an option, but we can change it up to only 59 seconds. So you can use the count button in order to scroll it, and then just go ahead and select up a time. After that, tap on right from your screen, and once that is done, your time should be set. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to change your time on Apple Watch. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.